What's wiggling Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenoticing. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, which is actually the limited edition dbrand Robot Camo skin and the dbrand grip case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So, without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, I got the tech, and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it comes in a variety of different packaging actually, but this all was in one same brown cardboard box that got shipped here. So basically, first of all, we've got a dbrand microfiber cloth right here. We can just put this to the side, kind of boring compared to everything else. And that packaging says dbrand, it's not a product, it's a culture. So we can just flip this over and we can actually see the skin right here. Once again, it is the limited edition Robot Camo version. So I'd imagine it's probably pretty popular. I think it looks pretty cool. And here we go. Here it is. Let's take a closer look at that. So yeah, apparently no two of these designs are supposed to be the same. I believe they're all supposed to be unique and different. So that's pretty cool. Look, you can see like a robot head right there, all these different crazy things going on. We got pyramids right there, pyramids right there. It's definitely a pretty crazy, pretty cool look for sure. So now let's put this to the side. And right here, we've got the little, let's see, go to this website to see how to apply the skin. I believe that's what this is for. And yeah, we can just put this to the side. And then last but not least, we have the actual box with the grip case. So we can just open this up. Look at all this awesome bubble wrap we've got right here. That's going to be fun to play with later, right? And yeah, now let's open up this box and let us see. Ooh, did I just open it up upside down? I guess so. So dbrand grip, revolutionary grip, customizable, impact protection, and ultra thin. And now where did it say customizable? Right there. That talks about how you can basically put the skin on it. For example, we've got the Robot Camo skin to put on it. So yeah, right here, here's the case. We can just pop it out just like this. And yeah, we've got a little card right here as well. Dbrand grip is just the beginning, and yeah. So now folks, now that we've seen what is in the box, let's focus on the stars of the show and put all the other stuff to the side. And yeah. So here we are. We've got the grip case. We've got the skin right here. And let's put the skin on the case. So now to do that, I don't know if this is the official way you're supposed to do it, so I might screw it up, but I just want to put it on my way. I'm just going to slap it on pretty much. So let's see. We can just line it up. And boop. And now we've got it pretty lined up right there. So we can just smooth it out, get it nice and on. And I mean, yeah, just like that, the Robot Camo limited edition skin is on this case right here. So now let's take a closer look at this case. Over here, we've got the volume buttons. Obviously, we got a cutout for the mute switch. We've got the side button right here. We've got some cutouts for the speaker grills and for the lightning port. And we've obviously got this large cutout right here on the back for that triple camera array that we have on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So yeah, without further ado, let's just put this on my iPhone, baby. So here we are. We've got my iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. We've got the case, and let's just put it in. So we can just slide the top in just like that, and we can just push the rest in just like that. Boop, and boom. Now my case is on this phone. So yeah, this is what the case looks like on an actual iPhone right here. Definitely looks pretty cool with that Robot Camo, that special limited edition going on right there on the back. And yeah, not too much else to say. If you want this case for yourself, this whole bundle, the case and the skin right here, set me back about like 40 bucks or something like that. So definitely not super duper expensive. And yeah, folks, with that, that'll be all for this Warenotice video right here. Just a nice, quick, easy unboxing of the dbrand special limited edition Robot Camo skin and the grip case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this Warenotice video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Robot Camo skin and grip case for my iPhone, baby. Ooh.